Everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to microwave these marshmallows. So I put these two together to make like one big marshmallow, and then here's two big marshmallows. And I put this one here so we can see if it like sticks to the edge. And then there's just one tiny one there so you can see how big the tiny ones can get. Alright, let's do this. Put on for 30 seconds and see how they go. Any second now. Just don't get so big. Hold on. Nope, not ready yet. Okay. Let's consume. No, resume these things. Okay. I think they're getting bigger. Ooh.
Oh.
Wait, no, dang it. Okay. And we'll have to see.
Trey, they're getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
Let's see how they. Whoa!
Oh.
Ah, hot. Wyatt, can you go get me some oven mitts?
No, I can just. I don't care if hot.
Well, you probably will. Thank you. Okay. So, there they are. Anyway, want to try the small ones?
Trey, it's actually melted.
It ate mine. Alright.
Okay.
So, oh, kind of squishy.
Wait, let's see if these are.
Got.
Trey, look at this one. I'm holding a melted marshmallow.
You gotta kind of like peel them off carefully right here. Hey. Oh yeah, my hand's super sticky. Delicious. Well, that was today's video, everybody.
Very
Hope you
short.
enjoyed. Goodbye.